Alright, well, we have my Grizzly single pump air rifle. It is sawed off. There is no sighting system whatsoever. But that shouldn't be a problem. We're going to be shooting at a little can filled with water. It's only set up about 3 feet. Not really a challenge at all. Alright, set you guys in a second person shooter view. There we go. Working. Alright, let's load around in the chamber. Alright. Oh, nice. Oh, well, that was too quick. Alright. Pump it up again. Keep it pointed up. There we go. Let's just set up another target. Take a couple more shots at it. Now this is just an empty can, not filled with water. There we go. Oh, sorry. Thought I heard a vehicle. I don't want to scare the crap out of my neighbors or anything like that. Nice. Nice. They're all going through. Huh. Alright. Let's go look at the damage this baby caused. Alright. That's pretty nice. Look, it almost looks like a face. There's the eyes. There's the mouth. Alright. See you guys next.